So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy BNB on Kraken. So once you open up Kraken, go down to the bottom and press on the Explore icon. Once you're here at the top, press on Search, and then type in ticker symbol BNB for BNB. So once you're here, just press on BNB. Once you're on BNB, go to the bottom and press on the purple buy button that says buy BNB. Once you're here, type in the amount. So for this demonstration, I'll type in the minimum amount of 1250 Canadian. If all looks good, you can go ahead and proceed by pressing on the purple arrow on the right hand side. Once you're here, it'll go ahead and show you the amounts, the price, the Kraken fee, and the total. And if you want to proceed with the transaction of BNB, check the little box and then go to press the purple confirm button and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy BNB crypto on Kraken. Thanks again for watching and I hope this video helps.